Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Namrata and I do videos on skincare, beauty, fashion. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So it would be really helpful for me. And click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload in the future. Today's video is going to be about summer skincare and why skincare is important and CTM routine is important. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so why skincare is important? Skincare is important because to keep your skin in good condition and your shedding skin cells throughout the day. So it's important to keep your skin in good condition and glowing as well. And a good and effective skincare can make your skin look good and help you to get rid of acne and scars, spots, and whatnot, aging, wrinkles. Yes, so that is why CTM routine is important and skincare is important. So in today's video, I'll be sharing a few products which I use and which has been effective on me. So here are few products that I use and that in everyday, like my CTM routine products are these. So starting out with cleansing, I use Biotic face wash, and I also use Pond's face wash. I also use Pond's face wash. Sometimes I also use Himalaya neem face wash. These face washes have helped me to get rid of dryness and dullness as well. And I also use a DIY cleanser. Sometimes I'll give you the link in the description box so that you can go check it out. And these have helped me to get rid of my dark spots as well. As you can see, I have no dark spots on my face. Yeah. And moving on to the toner, I use two toners. Those are Biotic Tea Tree Toner and another one is Good Vibes Mulberry Toner. This toner is really good, and toners are very important to your skin because they maintain the pH balance and they maintain pH level and they give that matte look. So these are really good for me. I love using this too, especially the Biotic one. Especially the Biotic one. This is like my savior. This helped me a lot and it gives me that matte finish I want. And toners are must, guys, trust me. Toners helps you to shrink your pores and to get rid of your pores and minimize them. So yeah, and Mulberry toner, talking about this, it glows up my face and it's really helpful for me. And next, moving on to our moisturizer. I use sometimes Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer. Right now I have applied the Lakme Moisturizer. And the next is that Mama Earth Baby's Moisturizer. You know what? Baby's cream are the most safest creams you can ever use, and it's quite moisturizing also, and it's effective at the same time. And the next moisturizer is again Mama Earth Oil Free face moisturizer. Even this moisturizer is very good to your skin. Moisturizer is very important to your skin because it helps you to get rid of the dryness. And there's a myth known like oily skin people need not have to use moisturizer, but no, you guys have to use moisturizer at any cost because it's important. In that case, you can choose like as I said, this one oil free moisturizer, Mama Earth oil free moisturizer. You can choose in that case if you have really oily skin. And moving on to next is sunscreen. So why sunscreen is important? Sunscreen is a must, guys. So I use Aroma Magic sunscreen, which is very effective on my skin. I get it is so good. Yeah, let me just show you. Pump a little more. Here it is. It is this sunscreen. It takes time to get absorbed, but it's really nice. It gives you a good finish. Yeah, so here you can see. Yeah, and the next sunscreen, usually when I go out I use this Aroma Magic sunscreen. When I'm at home, I prefer using Pond's oil-free sunscreen, non-oily sunscreen, which is SPF 30, because I stay at home, I don't even step out. In that case, I use this sunscreen, just SPF 30. And next is very important is lip moisturizer. Yeah, lips, lip balm I mean. So moisturizing your lips is very important, as like it's equally important to your skin. Don't forget moisturizing your lips. I use Vardiel lip balm, blueberry flavor, and it's, trust me guys, it's really good. And I love using this lip moisturizer because the fragrance is mild. I usually don't prefer fragrance one because I don't like fragrance. So this Vardiel lip balm is light fragranted and it's nice. It's moisturizing as well. And next one I use is Revona. It's moisturizing as well. And next one I use is Revona strawberry lip balm, which is equally good. So I use this, and I use Nivea lip balm also. Nivea the cherry shine I use. Yeah, these things. So this is why skincare is important. Skincare is a must, and during summer you have to do skincare at any cost, because your skin needs food. Like how we eat food, how we need food, like that your skin needs food. That's nothing but cleansing, toning, moisturizing, and these are very important. Do not miss doing this. Do not skip doing these steps, because it is good for your skin. It will help you to keep your skin in a good condition, and it gives you that plump, that glow, whatnot. Who doesn't want a good glowing skin, guys? So please do CTM routine, do not forget. So yeah guys, that's it for today, and I hope this video was informative and useful and you enjoyed this video. So please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. If you subscribe, that would be really helpful for me and motivate me and support me to do further videos in the future. And also do share with your friends and family. And if you like this video, so do not forget to give a big thumbs up, and stay home, stay safe. I hope you enjoyed this video. So that's it guys, bye bye, love you all, take care.